Have you ever wished someone would just show up and clean your apartment for free? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, now tech companies are actually offering exactly that. But before you get too excited, let us tell you, there's a catch. And not just any catch, but something that's about to turn how we think about our everyday lives and privacy on its head. Hey everyone, before we dive deep into this story that's going to make you second guess how much of your daily life you'd be willing to sell for convenience, do us a quick favor. Hit that like button, subscribe for more honest takes on tech shaping our world, and drop us a comment. Would you let a tech company film you doing chores? Would you let a tech company film you if it meant a free clean home? Let's get into it. So, what's really going on here? A startup called Shift, a company specializing in artificial intelligence training, made waves with an unusual offer. They said they'd clean New Yorkers' homes for free, all across the city. Now, before you start looking around at your dirty kitchen and thinking, sign me up, here's what you need to know. The cleaning isn't just about making your apartment shine, it's about data, training data, to be more exact. When Shift launched their pilot program in late May 2026, they didn't just get a few curious clicks. Within hours of announcing the service, they were flooded with thousands of applications. New Yorkers, notorious for being space-starved and time-poor, jumped at the chance. But the service is really a massive data harvesting operation. To manage the chaos, they even had to implement an early access invite system. It turns out when the price is zero, people are willing to open their doors. People are willing to open their doors to just about anyone, or any camera. In exchange for a sparkling clean home, Shift gets to set up cameras and film. Shift films their employees doing all the things humans do to tidy up. We're talking scrubbing dishes, wiping down counters, dusting, mopping, all of it. Every single sweep and spray is captured on video. And these videos aren't just sitting on a hard drive somewhere. They're exactly what AI companies are desperate for. To capture this data, Shift's professional cleaners aren't just carrying mops. They're wearing what the founders call the magic hat. It's a head-mounted rig equipped with high-resolution point-of-view cameras and sensors. This allows the AI to see exactly what a human sees. It captures the subtle wrist movements, the pressure applied to a sponge, and how we instinctively avoid knocking over a vase while vacuuming. Why? Because robotics companies are in a mad race to create machines that can handle the drudgery of domestic chores. If you've ever fantasized about a robot taking care of cleaning so you never have to touch a toilet brush again, you're not alone. Imagine a future where your kitchen cleans itself. Sounds incredible, right? But there's a problem. Teaching a robot to clean isn't easy. Teaching a robot to clean isn't anything like programming a thermostat. Domestic work happens in environments full of randomness and chaos. This is what experts call the sim-to-real gap. We can simulate a kitchen in a computer, but those simulations are far too perfect. Real kitchens have weird lighting, sticky floors, and pets running between our legs. Every living room is a different shape with unique messes. Humans themselves are unpredictable. AI models trained in sterile labs often freeze up when they encounter a pile of laundry that looks different. To build a robot that actually works in your home, it needs to see embodied data. Real humans solving real-world spatial puzzles in real time. That's where data comes in. AI, especially the kind driving robots, learns by example. The more examples it sees, the better it understands. The more footage it watches of real humans picking up crumbs or rearranging books on a shelf, the better it understands what needs to be done. It learns how to do it reliably, in a world that's never the same twice in a row. Shift isn't acting alone in this pursuit either. Shift is an offshoot of MicroAgi, a German data firm that has been quietly building a global infrastructure for human activity data. They've already paid tens of thousands of people in 15 different countries to record mundane tasks using a mobile app. The New York launch is just their most visible move into the high-fidelity domestic market. They aren't just looking for video. They're looking for the physics of human labor. And while cleaning is just the starting point, the implications are much bigger. Shift says it's starting in New York, but has plans to expand this service to other cities around the world, including London and San Francisco. Basically, anywhere there are houses to clean and data to harvest, this model could spread. They've already hinted at moving into new verticals. They've hinted at moving into verticals like laundry, cooking, and even basic home repairs. But let's get real for a second. This whole situation brings up a ton of practical and ethical questions. Do you want a tech company filming in the privacy of your home? Even if it's just when you're at work or out grocery shopping, how much are you willing to trade personal privacy for automation? There's also the uncomfortable irony of the human cleaners themselves. These vetted operators are essentially training their own robotic replacements. Every professional-grade movement they record is a data point that brings us closer to a future where their specific job no longer requires a human. It's a cycle where the service we get for free today is built on the labor of people working toward their own displacement. Think about it. Your most mundane moments could become golden data for billion-dollar corporations. This is a whole new level of selling your data. Before, tech companies wanted to know what you watched on YouTube. Now, they want to watch us wash dishes, scrub the sink, and pick up our socks. They want as many real-world, organic cleaning examples as possible. If you're wondering just how valuable this data really is, let's look at the numbers. For artificial intelligence, the hardest lessons involve learning how to deal with the chaos of human lives. It's incredibly expensive to get right. Robotic vacuum companies have invested millions in gathering floor plan data, but that's nothing compared to what Shift is proposing. They are recording real, daily, complex human activity in high detail. Shift's co-founder claims the data from one session is worth more than the cleaning itself. Sure, there are privacy assurances, Shift promises to anonymize faces, documents, and screens. But it's an entirely new bargain. It's a bargain between people and tech. Trade some privacy for labor you no longer have to do. For now, it's just cleaning. But what's next? Cooking, laundry, walking your dog? The possibilities and the ethical debates are endless. We are entering an era of data as currency. It's becoming a literal trade for physical services. If a company can sell the data of your messy living room for more than the cleaning, it's just business. But we have to ask ourselves, once we open our doors to this kind of surveillance, can we ever truly close them again? Think about it. So next time you see a free offer from a tech company, especially when it sounds too helpful, ask yourselves what they're getting in return. Most likely, it's something more valuable than money: your data, your actions, and your real-life experiences. Thank you for watching. If you found this story insightful, check out the related video in the corner to see how AI is changing our daily lives in other surprising ways. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. How far would you let AI into your home? Let's talk about it. Catch you in the next one.